Okay, so good morning and good evening, everybody, and welcome back in today's class. Today, we are going to be pick up two more advanced topic in ServiceNow. Okay, again, these topics we are going to be discussed from the what I can say from the consulting part and from the overview side. Okay, the first topic which we are going to be start now is related to the business management. We noticed that ServiceNow has the products available for IT, which we see that is ITSM, is available for customer, that is CSM, available for governance and risk, that is GRC, and has product for human resource, that is HRSD. And now we are going to be discuss two more topics, that is be only no, Namrata, you're not. Oh, you cannot hear me anything. Anybody can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Trevor can hear me. Namrata, can you just disconnect and connect it again? Okay, thanks. Thanks Trevor for confirmation. Okay, so this is what the ITBM, and the another topic which is we are going to discuss today is called the ITOM, operation management. Okay, now if I say how anything gets started, when I say anything means, let's say I'm sitting at home and my son say that I'm feeling bored. I said, okay, what then? He said, let's do this thing. Let's play a game. I said, okay. Okay. You're not still, can I ask him? Namrata, what? Rajesh, you're also facing some issue, right? No, okay. No, it's not. It's not fine. Why it's
I'm sorry, it's fine now.
yeah, Namrata, now I can hear you. Okay,
Yes.
thanks. Thanks for confirmation. Rajesh, you're okay, right? You're able to hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, I was able to hear you. I was just
Okay, great. No problem. Okay. So now this business management. Okay. So as I said that my wife on the weekends, my wife say, hey, I'm getting bored. Let's cook something. Let's make something special. Let's bake something special. Now, what is that in special here, or what is that? I want to know that what the meaning of what here, the stuff of what here. Because if you do any business, this what has an important role, and that convert everything into the proper format. And that what is called, okay, I'll give one more example, then we'll go for the ITBM term. Nowadays, companies are putting lot of emphasis, a lot of consideration on the innovation. You should be innovate, guys. You should provide some innovate things. And they launch different campaigns in the company. Innovation Week, Innovation Lab. Now, what is it? Innovation. In simple words, some idea to do a work differently. Right? That is the innovation. If I say farming was all earlier also happening, but nowadays organic farming is happening. It is some kind of an innovation. and one person has a thought in the mind. No, I should try organic farming as well. That thought is called the idea. That thought is called the idea. And from idea, the things get changed. We are a group of 5 people or 6 people. Rajesh says, Atul, I have an idea. Okay, tell me. He told me I write it down in my phone book. That's all. But let's say if we have 100 people, is it possible for anybody to remember the 30 or 40 ideas? No. Because it's getting, the number is getting larger now. So what we do? Okay, let's guys, I'm putting one Excel sheet on the shared drive. If you have any idea, please put it there. Because now I put another example here. My son is getting bored and he want to go outside. Now he start putting some ideas. Number 1. Sorry. Dad, the weather is so fine. Let's go for a walk. One idea. Dad, mom was saying we need to bring these things from market. Let's go and bring it. Second idea. The intention can be really different. He know if I go outside, I will get chocolates or the toys. And to build that, he putting in different ideas. Now, it is not necessary that if you put 100 ideas or 20 ideas, 30 ideas, every idea gets successfully executed. Because if I know it's a weekend, if I go out now with my kid, it is going for me expensive. Because it's a sunny day, he definitely needs some water, some cold drinks, some snacks, some burger. I need to be take him to a good park, a good place that required tickets. Need to go via cab or via train or via tram or kind of things. It means it is going to be expensive for me. What I'm doing, I'm evaluating that idea on the multiple parameters. And if that idea gets successfully evaluated, see, for the business, what is the ultimate goal? Okay, I'm happy to do with this thing, but I should be able to save the money. I should be able to earn the profit. If after evaluating that idea, business is okay, then it becomes the project. But what that evaluation phase between idea and the project, that is called the demand. And demand required a considerable time to evaluate. If you want to start a new business in the market, you have idea as well, but you evaluate it properly on the different parameters. And then if it is done, evaluation done, you are happy, then you go for the project. And then you implement that in the project format. Now, how it look like? So here we have a screenshot. This is very old screenshot. I got it from, I guess, community or some internet option only. You can see here. This one. Here. So it says it starts from idea. Now idea can be to enhance any existing product, or idea can be to start something new. So here's the idea. Atul, that's fine. But in ServiceNow, we have a portal for the same idea portal. And to get this, we have to be activate the ITBM plugins in our system. So let me open this in the parallel manner. Idea. You notice this thing. If your company is sending any innovation emailers that guys, it's innovation week, get your ideas, put it there. So what they're doing this thing only. They want to know the inputs from you guys. So this is what an idea portal. Okay, so here as an employee, I go and I'll put my idea. Category. This. It's a product enhancement. Description. At this point of time, it is said as per the innovation rule, innovation principle, it is well said. You are not the right person to evaluate that is this idea going to be give me a profit or not. It's not your work. Your work, how it will get executed, what is the benefit. This is what the innovation says. That is nowadays, if you think, company says if you have any idea, put it. Because they know maybe a person has a very silly idea, but it's a good for improvement. So now you will put it and you will submit it. Again, nothing. It's a portal, nothing else. So now you get it. Your idea has been generated here. Even though I did not do much work in this area. So now let's come back here and search for the see. Idea portal, idea module, idea category, idea code. Idea module. Not sure that we are going to be open this one or not. No, because this idea did not give me any number here. Okay. So yes, go ahead.
This is a part of ITBM or is a
yes, part of
ITBM.
ITBM. Yes, and one more thing. Now it is not an ITBM. The product name has been changed. It is called the SPM, Strategic Portfolio Management. It's not ITBM any longer now. Okay, so now once this has been done and idea has been accepted, let's say you 5 guys put 5 ideas that how we can improve this training. I as an idea manager evaluate maybe a kind of a feasibility only, not technically, or maybe a little bit technically, but not financially 100%. Doable, yes, not doable, not doable, doable. Like short said. When an idea has been accepted, it becomes a demand. Let's see, do I have a demand module activated? We have a demand. So when the idea has been accepted, it becomes a demand for me. And demand is a lengthy process. Demand management is a lengthy process. So you can see here that self-service customer portal, CPQ total implementation, some demo data are out of demo data service now provided to us. Like this one. Employee transfer process simplification. Now let's open it and let's see what they are saying. Let it be open. Yep. So a demand has a 6 steps: draft, submitted, screening, qualified, approved. and complete it. Once your idea get accepted, then business want you to prepare a business case. Like I take example of the Shark Tank. I'm not sure if Ola or Travel you know, but there's something similar has been done in other countries as well. So let's say if I have an idea, I just put that idea to the sponsors or to the show anchors and show directors something. If they like my idea, then they ask me the complete business case. Okay, now tell me your business case. This is what is important here. Because in the demand, we have to be, we are mainly concerned about two or three things. What is the business case? What is the financial involved in this thing? So you can say a basic details are there under which portfolio I'm building it. HR, IT, CSM, where investment class, investment types. Even though I have no idea on that part, what business unit is going to be impact? What capability do we need or we have? Here is the important point, the business case. What you want to achieve with the help of this particular idea. What is the business case? What is the risk of performing? And what is the risk not performing? What are the enablers? See, this is not, if I say it's not my work. As a BA, I never work on the business case. But I support my team to write a good business case. So let's say example. My son want to get a toy now. This is what his ultimate goal. To get now, he's putting a business case. That there is a weather is very good outside. There's no sign of rain for the next 4 or 5 hours. I only take my bath. I had my breakfast. And let's go outside. If you take me out, the risk can be, it is a little expensive trip for you. If you did not take me out, you have to play at least 5 matches with me. I play with my son, so I'm taking that example. Okay. What is the enabler? It will going outside in a sunny day, it's give a good health. You'll get a good air. And what are the barriers? I have a running nose. So if weather gets changed, it can be problematic for me to go out. What is in scope? No, we will go on this direction only. We'll not go any other shopping mall or something. What is out of the scope? And what is assumption? So these are things which you have to mention in the business case. And believe me, in the business case, if it's your internal or maybe external, the figure speaks more than the words, I can say. If you write in the business case that, okay, if you not performing this, 70% stakeholder may get impacted or may not with the continue our services in the next quarter. So you have to put the very accurate figure, and no one knows other than you that was the business case for this particular idea, because it is your idea. It's not put it by me or my manager. No, it is put it by you. Maybe Rajesh, maybe Namrata, maybe Trevor, maybe Will. Then the financials. As per my experience, I have to just put that how much money I need to do this thing. And rest will be taken care by the demand team. Rest will be taken care by the demand team. Total plan cost, returns, discounted, net value, interest of rate, return, and all the things has been taken care by the demand team. And last, assessment data. When you put the demand, it has been assessed with the multiple parameters. And here, if you see in the flow, I have the stakeholders. who evaluate this. I am going to be put 1,000 or 100,000 USD dollar for the investment. I'm interested for rate of return. I'm not bothered that you are going to be kick off today or tomorrow, but I'm going to do investment and need a return from that particular day. This is what the stakeholder demands here. So on the parameters, it has been evaluated and then finally decision has been taken to proceed or to reject. I'm not sure what is in the preferences. So mainly these three things are important for you. What is the risk score? And every company has its maybe format of doing this risk assessment as well. If you go to the now create, there is a step available in the success pack. In the success pack, there is steps available. Align business value. Evaluate the business case. From there, you're getting these things actually. So I'm not sure that how it's work actually, how this calculation work, but what I know that every company has its own way to evaluate the demands, and once a demand get approved, it become a project. If you go in the market and companies are saying, hiring managers saying, hey, we are hiring for this particular project, it means they already done these two steps. Now they want you to start working on that part. This is what the project management says. Let's say, do we have anything for the project? Yes, I guess we have. We have the project workspace as well. Yep. So like this, the project has been initiated. So you can get a new project. There's a one or two guys on my LinkedIn connection. They're good in that. Awesome guys in that part. Let's say this one. So this is what a project has been started. Analytics, detail, planning, resourcing, financial, and the status report. Because as a project manager, I am worried about these things. And ServiceNow reduce a lot of things in these processes or the modules, I can say. All the things you as a project manager always take care on the Excel sheets or maybe some other tool. Now you can get everything on a single place. See. Here are the details. Because in the project management, the important point is that your time cards. We are charging 8 hours per employee from the customer. What to do? You guys or we guys put or fill our time sheets on the weekly basis. This is what the example of the time card. Because at the last, according to the time cards, my company is going to be charged to the client and going to be get a money there. In the project, we can be waterfall, we can be agile. We have a testing as well. If you're agile, you have stories and sprints. Nowadays, this is not there. Waterfall is not there. Mainly, agile is already there. And once product has been built up or project has been completed, it become a product and it launch it. And now you can raise an idea on the basis of incidents or enhancements kind of things. So if I show you that what ServiceNow provide me as a part of ITBM Here you go. It provide application portfolio and financial modeling. These are separate modules, financial modeling, separate modules available. Here you can see. So what I can say, if you are working in the project management space in that area, then you should learn this ITBM and get your hands in this particular part. It's a very good module, no doubt, but it's a licensed one. It's not free. So this says these two things come in the APM and the financial, and these four things: demand, resourcing, portfolio, project, financial, and time card, come in the project and portfolio. So it's called PPM, APM, PPM, and this thing, agile and all, it's becoming the agile delivery execution. This is what is basically a ITBM says. Only I know only these things, so I'm able to tell you only these parts. But you can see everything here. So this is what our project now. It's not demand, so don't confuse. It's a project now. Project task. How are the stakeholders here? Means everything you can record it here. That's all. In the planning call, on the planning tab. Even I never get a chance to work in this APM or SP. This is what. This can be recorded or this can be tagged in the Microsoft tool as well. I guess it's a MSP, Microsoft or MPS, something is there. I'm not sure. Then your resourcing. So it means in a single place you're getting everything. But yes, it's a licensed one. It's a licensed one. So this is what the resourcing work here. These many people, how many years allocated? How many hours has been allocated? Then go to the financials. This quarter one, how much allocated, how much has been done. So it is something good for the users or the people who are working in the project management space. You guys can understand the terms. Even it's tough for me to be able to understand. And it's a summary one. Almost everything they have put it here, so that it should be a one-stop shop for the everybody to see what's happening in that particular project. But the initiation or the origin will start only from the idea. That is important to be remembered here. Any doubt, any question? Namrata, Rajesh, Trevor, and Ola. Okay, good. If no question, let's move to the second part of today's topic. Okay, let me come here. Even though these two things, ITOM and integration, work hand in hand, but the thing is that what is the concept of ITOM and why it's come into the picture? ITOM stands for the IT operation management. Okay. This required a little technical skills, or I'll say a little bit on the coding skills as well, because here the things work very differently. Okay. Rajesh was bachelor. He was staying in a one-bedroom house and he has very limited things. He put almost his clothes in one of the bag his books in one of the another bag, and few kitchen utensils, and that's all. If he need to find out, he just move his head from left to right or right to left, and he know that okay, it is there, and pick up the things. Okay, fine. Now he's a married guy. He's staying with family, and now it has a lot of things. One bed, sofa, books, utensils, clothes, accessories, documentation. A lot of things are there. And now if I ask, hey Rajesh, do you have this particular stuff? First, he will ask his wife, hey, where do you know that where I keep this? She said, sorry, Rajesh, it's your document. You need to be remember. Okay. Now the same thing happening in our IT industry as well. Let's say today we five started a business. Okay. We have two or three server, one database, one IP address for hosting our websites and other things, and one router. Easy to remember. Rajesh says, my memory is so sharp, I'll remember. Don't worry, Trevor. He remember everything. What is the manufacturer, the brand, or the model of server? Same goes for router and who provides this IP and other things. After 1 year, it has been drastic change. Now this company on 1000 server, 500 database connections, and other things. Now, do you think it is easy for Rajesh to remember 100 of components? No. Earlier, when the situation was only one server, he know that in this server, what is the OS, what is the RAM, what is the memory. But now he cannot remember these values for 100 or 1000 of the servers. Now, what is the solution? Problem we have that go and check every server one by one manually and then update the details. Where to update? Ultimately in the same DB. So problem statement is clear. Now ServiceNow say if you want to overcome this problem, then I provide you one solution here. And what is the solution? Use my product called the ITOM. And in the ITOM, there is a product called the Discovery. So mainly we are going to be discuss another 5 or 10 or 15 minutes about the discovery only. What is discovery, how it's work, and how it is be useful. I'm looking for some old notes, but I'm not able to get that. So not sure that where I keep this particular. Yep, it's not there. Even though I get one something someone created and I got it from the LinkedIn. Okay, but I'll use my stuff only. Okay. So this thing. So ServiceNow say that you should use my module that is called the discovery. What is discovery? Discovery says you sit at your side, you just install agents, and those agents will go in all your servers and get the results for you. What is virus? Virus sets in our laptops or mobile phone and get the all information or destroy the all required files. Same thing, we are saying the discovery will do. The purpose is little different, but the pattern is almost same. There is a job run in your server which get result for you. But now Rajesh is a service provider and Trevor is a customer. Trevor says, boss, this is not possible. I cannot give access to your agents to directly access my networks or the infrastructure. Sorry, it's not possible. Because maybe you send something wrong information and you can take all the required information from my servers. Then ServiceNow say, okay, no worries. They introduce a concept called the mid server. It stands for management, instrumentation, and discovery. And it is a Java-based application. And how it's look like. This is what ServiceNow says. Let me say this. Let's take this example. Okay. This one. This is you, customer, Trevor. This is Rajesh. Rajesh want to update all the servers information, manufacturer, RAM, ROM, hard disk, processor, from Trevor infrastructure to the ServiceNow. And to do this part, what he did, he installed the mid server in the Trevor's environment. Okay, Trevor, you don't want that my things directly interact with you, don't worry. Let's install this mid server. This mid server will be a bridge between you, or I can say your environment, and my ServiceNow. From going forward, any processing, any discovery of data will only happen via mid server. Okay, okay, deal done. So it is a small Java-based application which has been installed on the Trevor's environment, and the username or the authentication will pass from the ServiceNow to here. Now in this important concept, so don't. This is an important concept that is called the ECC queue. ServiceNow says, go and get the information about the server. Okay, what information you want? The first thing which is come here, let me use this part called the scanning. Means I'm saying I'm talking about the discovery now. It's called the scanning. Means let's say you're entering in a building and you want to, first of all, you want to know, and you're looking for the 2-bedroom house for the rent. First of all, you want to know that it is a 2-bedroom or it's a 1-bedroom. It means in the scanning phase, we check it's a unique based system or it's a window based system, right? It's a unique base, or it's a Unix base, it's a window base, what type of base? And the technique, the method, the technical term which has been used to do this work is called the SHAZM. This one, SHAZM, SHAZAM, SHAZM. Like in the global search, we use the Zing, ZING as a indexing method. Here we use the SHAZM as a technique. So first it go and do the scanning, that it is a window, or it is a Unix based. After scanning, it's go for the classification. Chalo, let's say it's a Unix, okay, or let's say it's a window. Now in the window, what server it is? 2000, window NT, 2003, 8, 11, 12, 16, what window it is? That is called the classification. It means you enter in the building, you knock one house, it's a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, it's a 2 bedroom. Okay, you take a note. It's a 2 bedroom, it's a furnished or unfurnished. That is the classification you are doing. So this is what. And third is the important, is called the identification. Is the identification. The thing, remember that in the beginning I said ITOM required the technical skills. Number one, you should know a little bit about the infrastructure, databases, networks, routers, IP, you know. And second, you're able to write the pattern. I'll give a basic example to understand this part. Namrata is sitting at home and she's taking care of the baby. Okay. And she needs some cosmetic products from the market. She knows that she is not able to go to outside today. What she did, she called to her husband and say, I need these cosmetic things of this brand from this particular shop. Namrata's husband said, hey, wait. Give me the complete detail. Okay. Do one thing, when you start from your office, you reach to that particular mall. When you enter in the mall, left side from the gate number 1, left side, there's a one shop of sari, don't go. There's another shop of cosmetic, don't go. In the third shop, there is another cosmetic shop, and it has a very big poster of this particular brand. Go there and ask them that you need this cosmetic product of this brand only. Okay. Being a husband, it is very tough to get these things. Okay, Namrata's husband started from office, reached to the mall, park the car, the bike, go to the gate number 1 and checking. Okay, Namrata told first shop is sari. Maybe he entered in the wrong gate. He confused now. There's no sari shop. Again call back. Namrata, where is that sari shop? I'm not getting it. On which gate you are? Oh, I'm getting the number. I'm gate on 1, but level of 0. No, you should go to level 1. Okay. Go to level 1. First shop sari, don't go. Second shop, don't go. Third shop, go. And check these products and get the products to home. This is what the pattern writing it's called. For everything you have to write a pattern. Namrata can say after sari shop there's another 10 shops of the cosmetics only. You go and buy this product for any of the 10 shops. This is also the pattern. This is what the technical skills are required, and this is what it's saying, identification. Patterns are launched to find out that is this the actual CI which I'm looking for? If yes, pick it up and put in your bucket. And then next is called the exploration phase. Exploration phase. It means what other information you need from that particular CI, you get it here. So Namrata says go that third shop and ask for this product. And before you purchase the product, you need to be check manufacturing date, expiry date, color, shade, and the price. This information you need to be bring back. She did not say buy it. She said just get this product. Details. This is what it's doing here. And now husband take everything from here, from the shop, put in the mid server, from mid server, a query run and go to the data sources. Data sources, I'm talking about the transform map. And from there it go to the import set, and from import set it go to the table. Now Rajesh has a question. Atul, maybe that CI already exists. Then, if that CI already exists, then only the attributes get updated. Otherwise, there's a lot of duplicate CIs will be there. This is what the overall discovery work. Okay, this is what overall discovery work. So see, it's showing the same thing. This is mid server, Windows, Unix, network, and all the things. This is the first part, discovery scheduling. Your ECC queue. I forget the meaning of this ECC. ECC queue. Who send the jobs? Probing. Go and prop. It get the results. Yes, it is Windows, it is Unix, it is Linux. Then classification. Go and check. Is it 2008, 2009, 2010? What type of Windows server it is? It get the result for you. And then your discovery patterns. Go and this information for me. Once you get for the reconciliation. Service now store everything which is coming, they're storing it and doing the reconciliation part. This is very much important. Logically, in a single CMDB or in a CMDB, in a single class, two CI should not have a same name. So it check the identification and do the reconciliation. And once reconciliation work, then they update the CMDB. See, ultimate goal is this only. Update the CMDB. But now it's completely automatic. Otherwise, I will ask, okay, Rajesh, go to the data center and check all these 1,000 servers and get that information. Hey, come on, it's just so boring. Now it can be done via this method. This is what about the discovery. It's a very big terms. In the discovery, we have a type of discovery, horizontal or vertical. Another important point, horizontal or the vertical. In this ITOM, there is a concept called the service mapping. Now Rajesh says, okay, Atul, that's good. You get from the discovery, you get the information. It is a server, it is a Windows server, it is this. Can we build the relationship as well? Thousands server, I got it. Will this service now can able to build the relationship as well for me? This server depends on this server connected on this computer work on this. This is what the ultimate goal. As soon as a child take a birth, people start building the relationship. When my kid take a birth, people start calling me, hey, you become the father now. Nobody call me by my name. You are the father now. You are mother now. You are grandmother now. Your grandfather now. How quickly the relationship change, the things become. This is what the service mapping here. How this CI is created with this server. It is a part of the discovery only. So in this, two things are important. I'm not sure that this guy put it down, but thank you so much who created this thing. Really helpful for me. I forget I have a book as well for discovery, but I'm not getting it. Okay. So there is a concept called the service mapping and type of discovery, horizontal and vertical. Let me show you. This is discovery flow. How to set up the discovery, not this one. Let me check. Service mapping and service now. Something like this. This relationship is done by the service mapping. Horizontal give you only this information 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is no relationship. Horizontal give you server, Unix server, 2008 server, 2005 server. How these servers are interrelated will be done via service mapping. And it is not done by the system automatically. You have to be define the things. Then it work. It's very good area. A really very good area if you want to be actually understand the infrastructure. And you can do discovery on a lot of components. IP addresses, routers, network, host. Lot of things are there. If I get that book, I'll share with you. I'll check in my previous group if I have that one. Someone shared on the LinkedIn and I downloaded it that time. But it's a very good book to the read. Okay, this is what about the discovery here, ITOM. Event management, cloud management are the part of discovery. Sorry, a part of ITOM, which I have no experience. Even I never explored that part because I never get a chance to work on these things. Now, important. So this thing we done. This thing we done. Now LDAP. LDAP is one of the integration. But the purpose of LDAP is get only two things from the directory. So now if I take example, earlier when an employee joined a company, the HR create his or her account in the Active Directory, AD, right? If you hear this word AD, Active Directory, the basic account and the group related information, that which group he belong and the things they stored in the AD. As the time passes, system gets mature, and now we are on the cloud Active Directory. Everything is on the cloud. You just log in to your desktop or the laptop, you get everything automatically. Office 365 help you in that part. Now let's say travel company want to implement service now. They hire Rajesh. Rajesh, can you implement service now for us? Oh my God, come on. Yes, I can do it. It's easy for me. Okay. But Trevor put one condition. Boss, I don't want my thousands of employees remember one more password to log into service now. No problem. It's not required, no problem. Acha, what you will do? So we will do the two things. Number one, we will bring your user data in service now from your Active Directory. Number two, we will enable the SSO, single sign on. You create only one Gmail account and you can log in to all the Gmail products. YouTube, YouTube Music, Gmail. If you have a Facebook connected with the same, you can do that part as well. YouTube ads, YouTube AdSense, a lot of hell of products you can do it. This is what the SSO concept is there. Single sign-on. I'll give an example. Earlier, when I started my journey in IT, the first time when I got the laptop, I have to remember the two passwords. One, to log in into the system. Second, to connect my Outlook. And now if you know, and if you notice, only one password. As soon as you log in into a laptop, your all the internal portals, your all the internal applications, your all the internal Outlook, emails, everything get auto connected. This is what the SSO called. Let's discuss about the LDAP first. The good point in ServiceNow is that you no need to be create anything new for the LDAP. So this is what actually the LDAP. As I say, with the help of the LDAP, you can bring only two specific data: user and group. Nothing else. Nothing else you can bring. It is LDAP is only for these two. Not even anything, any third thing here. If I join a company today, I need to be access the service now. Then what happen? My actual will create my account in the AD. From there, it will get sync into the service now. And I'm able to use the service now. The process is same. It has a data source, it has an import set, it has a transform map. But the good point is that ServiceNow provide everything here. If you go here, and it's not required to do, you don't need to be required any activate plugin for this. See, LDAP. You have to be just set up as the official instance. You have to be just set up your Active Directory server. Okay. Just set up your Active Directory server and rest will be done. So you can see here data sources. One for user, one for group. Import set. We've already done this part, so I'm not putting a lot of things here. The only purpose is that if someone asks you that how I can bring the data of a user or the group in ServiceNow, LDAP is the only and only option and the right answer. There's no other way, and not recommended as well. Because in this case, if tomorrow I resign from my company need to be just deactivate my account from the AD. And my ServiceNow access has been revoked immediately. This is what the LDAP says. And you can see for the groups. See, if you want to see, it is the this part. LDAP and transform user transform map. Give a minute. So now you can see. Field map. And done your work. This is what this LDAP do. Now what about the SSO? I know that you may be thinking, Atul, you're putting a lot of concepts or topic together. but these are the interrelated. SSO, single sign on. Let's see, do I have the plugin activated for this? Yes, this time I have. Good. Let me open the one thing here. What it says, you have to be activate a plugin called the single sign-on, and you have to be configure the properties for this. As of now, I have no external authentication. I said no. Let's say how this SSO work. I log into my laptop, okay, and I want to log into my ServiceNow. I open abc.servicenow.com and put enter. How it's go? It pick up my username from there, go to the AD and verify. Is this fine or not? This is what the single sign-on, because it is my PDI, so I don't want to take any risk here. Because I have to be set up the complete picture. I have to set the complete structure in the background. That how this SSO will work. But for me, when I'm creating a user, let me add one field here. And that is called the SSO. If you tick this particular field or checkbox in the user creation time, it means user required the SSO authentication. If you did not do, it means user can log in into the ServiceNow with the help of the local database or local username and the password. This is happen actually. So if you notice in your official instances, specifically the production instances, you guys need to be logged in via SSO only. It go, if you enter your username and the password, it go for the Microsoft authentication, it approve, and then it get login. Right? But if in the dev instance or the test instance or the UAT instance, it's still manageable. It should be there. Let me see. Generally, it become heavy after domain separation. It becomes so heavy. Oh, it's stuck. नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं है single sign. No. Maybe I need to be checked. No, I guess I have just property, but not a proper install that particular plugin completely. Otherwise, it show me a field here called the SSO, but it's not showing here as well. Otherwise, we need to be give a tick box which says, OK, user is able to log in via SSO, and under that we get a one more option called the SSO path, that which link it should use for the authentication purpose. This is what the SSO do. As a business analyst, we are not worried about these things. If customer want, then we just tell to our technical teams or the architect team and they do it for us. Rest, we don't bother how to do, what to do. It's a completely technical part. The only purpose to tell you, because it is required for us when you go for the UATs or the production lives, you should know that you are not allowed to do login without SSO. So that you should tell to the users that you should have a proper access, multiplication or some multi-factor authentication should be there. Only then you can log in into the system via SSO part. Now let me come here. Any doubt, any question, any clarification you need it here? on these three topics: ITBM, ITOM, mid server, LDAP, and SSO. Trevor, Rajesh, Pooja. Sorry, Pooja is not the Namrata.
I'm good.
Good. Okay. So with this, let me stop the recording here and we'll take a quick attendance now.